Our freedom wasn't given, it was written. Our peace wasn't bought, it was promised. And that promise lives in our Constitution. From the mountains high to the ocean wide, every heart was meant to shine. Every voice has a right to be heard, every dream protected by every word. We signed our future with hope in our hands, a covenant written across this land. But a promise means nothing if we don't know the power that we hold below. So read the promise, read it loud. It's the voice of Kenya, strong and proud. Know your rights, stand for truth. The future's written here, it starts with you. From the valleys deep to Nairobi's lights, let wisdom rise, let justice shine. Read the promise, make it known. The Constitution is our own. We are more than tribes and names, one nation born from pain and flame. Our heroes wrote it, their blood still speaks of the freedom that every Kenyan seeks. Not for the rich, not for the few, but for me, for us, for you. If we know the words, we find the way to heal this nation day by day. Read it in your schools, in your homes. Read it in the market, read it on your phone. Read it for the ones who cannot speak, for the future that our children seek. It's the story of our dignity, the sound of true equality. Let's rise together, hand in hand, and build the promise of this land. Read the promise, read it loud. It's the voice of Kenya, strong and proud. Know your rights, stand for truth. The future's written here, it starts with you. Make it count, write it down. Start it now. Know your rights, stand for truth. The future's written here, it starts with you. From the valleys deep to Nairobi's light, let wisdom rise, let justice shine. Read the promise, make it known. Our Constitution is our own. It's not just paper, it's our voice, it's our freedom, it's our promise. Read the promise.